Hey, Dr. Green, it's Spider-Man. I ran into a little problem with power over at the waterworks, and now I don't think the cure is dispersing.
Yes. I heard that some of those monsters disabled part of the power grid. You'll have to figure out another way to spread it. Perhaps dispersing it over the city from the air would be effective.
Of course! I'll just spread my spider wings and fly up there.
Bruh.
Unless you have a better idea, that is.
Hey, don't get smart with me. You're the superhero, you figure it out.
Right, okay then. Well, you have a nice day too. Hey, those police helicopters would be perfect for dispersing the cure. I've just got to get up to them.
Call that Hijinks?
Let me take it.
I've got him. I got this. Hey, he's over here. I've got him.
You got it.
I see him. Let me take it. Let me take him.
The lizards are changing back to normal. Now to go stop Doc Connors.